bakin penrung kerteng yeladi hapok jongkani kaam. Ka Indian Institute of Management IIM Shillong kala ai nam yaki Riew Shlur ka Thaiñ dalam Mihngi jongkari India da ka bajer kerteng yaki hotel baper da ki kerteng jongki na utirot sing sim sha ka kanak lata barwa ka jing itu ya ka Thaiñ dalam Mihngi kala phalang ha ka jing persang jongka IIM Shillong ka hostel ka bala ai kerteng utirot sing sim kala lapli da usisir ke bajoria chairman board of governors IIM Shillong mentagasngi ka IIM Shillong kadon ha ka shnong sauli ka bajngai kumba khatsan kilometer na Shillong ya ka rai ban pen kerteng thamai ya kani ka jaka sa da ka kerteng ki klawat jongkari kalong ban pen pau ya ka jing ai buram bat ban ai mensiam ki samla puli ki badon ha ka jaka.
Today has been a big day for IIM Shillong. We have inaugurated 216 room residence for students. This building is dedicated to the great freedom fighter Riew Singh, and we call it the Riew Singh building. While IIM Shillong is an institute of national importance and the only such institute in Northeast, we owe a lot for Northeast.
The focus of IIM Shillong has been from the day one on sustainability. So all the buildings we have taken care of the sustainability aspect. That because we want that the students, they should be also told the concept of sustainability while giving the practical example that look where you are staying, we are just taken care of the sustainability aspects.
Menteri Badai Kemi ya katunat boarding ke sarkar